Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website which is Gigabyte. Any device require the driver you can find and install, download and install. Send in, then in you can see this is right hand side. This is search button. Just click it and then enter your model number which is required. Then in search hit me with the best key and then type Z790 Wi-Fi, then hit enter. Then click on product Z790 Wi-Fi. Then click on support. Then guys, select your operating system, Windows 10. Both installations process same, so you select any audio driver and click to download. When you click on download, it will start downloading and wait few seconds to complete, and after that just single click to open. So it is completed. Just open it and double click to exe. And then yes, now this is extracting data to your systems for installation. Now this is installing, you can see. So wait, it will close automatically when this is installed. This is actually background is installed, it's installing. And this automatically close means this is installed.